This is Herman again in another Just My Review, and today I got something amazing for you guys. Probably you are wondering what is this black box, and let me tell you, it's gonna be worth it, guys. If you stayed and watched this video to the end, you're gonna be able to install this in your vehicle. And what is this? Well guys, as you guys can see it right there, fully functional YouTube videos. Take a look. This is one of my videos.
Guys, stay tuned because
this is my latest video, and as you guys can see, well, it's right there. That's my video, and as you guys know, my intro, I'm posting it right now. Stay tuned and let's see how this thing works and what is this. Alright guys, well, now inside my vehicle I'm gonna open this guy right here, and I'm gonna show you how this thing works and what is inside. First of all, like I told you guys, I went online. Well, I went to Amazon and I was looking for any Android Auto that I can use in my vehicle, but most of those guys, they go real expensive, and I find out this guy in a very affordable price. I was looking for the cheapest one. When I see the price of this one, I said, you know what, I don't think this thing is gonna work, but let me go and try it. Just to let you guys know, previously I already opened this box. It's a label right here that I have to remove previously in order to install it, because I want to install this first. I do the video in order to let you guys know if it works, because I don't want to do a video if it's not working, because we got a lot of broken things out there. Well, besides this USB and Type-C connector cable, we have another cable inside that I came with this case, that is C2C connector. All of this is high speed, as you guys can see right here, and as you guys see me before, I got the instructions right here, and we got it in English, we have it in Spanish, and let me see, I noticed another language right here. I don't know if it's I think this is I cannot tell exactly what language is that. If it's no, I don't know, but well, if you guys look in this video and you understand what is the language in there, you guys, well, this is for you guys. I know Spanish because I speak Spanish, and I know English, but as you guys can see right here, you guys can see all the instructions well done, and the details of how you guys gotta connect everything. Now I'm gonna explain you guys one thing, because I try, for example, for all you guys with Ridgelines, pilots, and other handhelds. In our case, well, in my case right here, most of the SUVs have it too. Right here in this compartment, we have another USB connector, right? Well, unfortunately, in this one right here, we cannot use it. I have basically, it works as a charger, but if you want to connect it to the infotainment using the Android Auto, it's not gonna work. In order to make this guy or any other one, it doesn't matter what brand you have, can be the Motorola, anyone. If you want to use the infotainment in Honda, in any Honda, you gotta use basically this guy right here. You guys see right there, this is the one with basically showing us the little phone and the speedy charge, that is 1.5 amps. That's the way we have to use in order to connect basically our phones, and we use a wire, any regular wire, plug it here, and that's the thing we try to avoid. That's a pain in the neck, no? You have to go in, plug it in and everything. Well, maybe it's not that hard, but we like simplicity. I like simplicity. Well, with this guy right here, for the cheapest price I got, this guy, well, it's amazing how it works. It's very, very professional the way they this manual. Also guys, let me tell you something else. Is right here is the instructions right here. You guys can do an update. I went to this page basically right here. Let me try to get it closer, and probably you guys can do zoom in your screen. You guys gonna be able to see, but this is basically before you connect this guy, just go and use the one next to you or any other charger like this one. You guys can use this kind of charger and plug it right there, right? And then you guys can grab this guy like this one and just plug this guy right over here in the back. When you guys plug it right there, just turn it on your vehicle, and it's gonna ask you to go to the website. You're gonna look at, you have to pair it using the Wi-Fi, and as soon as you pair it, just go to this website right here. Basically it's not a website, it's the control panel is of this little guy right here, the Android Auto, and you go to HTTP, right? And then you guys put all the address and everything, and you guys gonna go to this basically website right there. Then you guys go to, I got it in the Spanish right there, I'm sorry. And when you guys go to that website, just look at the bottom right over there. It's hard to see it right there, but it's gonna ask you if you want to do an update, and you check your phone. Your phone. It's gonna start scanning your device. And if you got any update at the moment, it's gonna make the update. All right. Okay. Well, let's go and plug this thing together, and let's see how it works. Okay, we have this guy already connected right here. Right, it's connected right there. Gotta figure it out how to maybe get another different color of wire or something like that, or see how do I hide this thing. That's the problem with these guys right there, that we have to use it in this place. Maybe other cars can use different connectors, but let's go and turn the vehicle on. You guys gonna start hearing some noises right here. Okay, now I already connect everything, and that's my camera
on your smartphone.
Now right there, that's the first thing you guys will see when you pair this with your phone. Okay, you guys will see this for a few seconds, and it's gonna take you right away. Look at that. I got Google Maps, I got the music I'm listening, and look at this. You guys got the infotainment right here. You guys got WhatsApp, you guys got the messages, you got Skype in your phone, and even you can talk to Google. Let me ask Google something. Hey Google, can you call Crystal?
Got it. Other or mobile?
Call her to mobile.
Calling Crystal.
Hey Google, can you call German?
All right, calling German.
Please enter your password, then press pound.
Yeah, that's me basically doing a phone call to me, but you guys see how nice is this guy working. Hey Google, can you take me to Six Flags Great Adventure?
Six.
Okay, nice. Now I just gotta choose which one I wanna go, and let's go and see. I go to the Great Adventure and just press right here, and that's it.
Head southeast on Emma Street toward Henry Street, then turn right onto Henry Street.
Hey Google, close Google Maps.
Stopping navigation.
Amazing, guys. This thing is amazing. This little guy right here, honestly, and that's why I'm doing this video. For the price is on Amazon. I hope these guys keep producing this, because when I placed the order they got only 9 left, and I don't want to see specific prices, but this one is the cheapest price. I pay around $30 something for this guy. Just in, as you know, $30 something, you don't see anything like this in that price. Probably, I don't know if it's gonna be for how long it's gonna be or something, but all the 5 reviews, well, they got 7 reviews already. Mine was number 7, and all the reviews these guys have right now are amazing, and I thought it was not true. And I'm telling you guys, I'm not getting sponsored by this company. The only thing is I gotta say is this product, the way it is packed, this box is amazing. It's like an Android box, but well, that's not the important thing. The important thing is the clear, how clear are the instructions right here, and how this thing works. And it's working super fine. You guys see it right here, and basically this is my phone right here connected to this device. And the way I got the maps, you know, if you guys want to do it like that, I got basically how it looks like in real, but you guys can have the regular map. You guys can change it. I set it up that in my phone some time ago. But the only thing nice is that, you know, I can shoot this guy off, and I go out and I go back on and turn it on, and you guys will see right there in a few seconds basically going on. Just take a look how quickly is this. And you know, that's the normal starting time for the Hondas, and this is for any Honda out there. Just the normal wait time. You guys can press the OK, or you just leave it. It's gonna take you, because it's now connecting to this, to the smartphone connection. It says not device connected, counting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. I start. You got it, guys. It's right there. You guys got everything connected in 18 seconds, and this is so nice that, you know, I wow, that's amazing. You know, I gotta say what I gotta say, and this is an amazing company so far. Now we gotta see for how long this thing is going to work. I hope this is gonna work for a while, for at least 1 or 2 years. For the price is amazing. You know, I got everything in my hands, and you know, if you guys wanna go out, you guys can do it, or you guys wanna come back to the Android Auto, you guys got it right there. Alright guys, and before I end the video, I want to show you these guys, because as you guys can notice right here, yep, this is basically the YouTube icon right there. And let me show you right here how basically it looks like. And if we go down there, you know, you guys got it right there. It's a car stream, and let me show you that way you guys can see how it works. And basically this is the internet version.
Less work jam and more workflow with Monday.com.
You guys can see right there.
We do not have one rule for Republicans and another rule for Democrats.
And you guys can see basically it's working very good.
Another for friends.
And
we don't have one rule for the powerful, another for the powerless, for the rich or for the poor.
look at it right there, full screen. And as you guys can see, let me lower the volume, but as you guys can see, it's working the same way. You guys can use it in your basically in your computer or mobile phone. You guys can do sign in right there too, in order to get your videos customized the way you have it. And I'm not gonna tell you how to do it, because basically I get it from somebody else in YouTube. I'm gonna put the link down below of this video. This guy made an amazing description how to install this, and this is gonna be amazing. You guys can basically pause it. You guys can go back over here and go and watch the different videos. Hold on, look at this. Everything is, you got plenty videos, you got the whole library right there of videos you guys want. And well guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys like it. I'm not gonna lie to you, this thing is an amazing thing. It's working fine, and if for any reason you guys turn it on your vehicle, it's not working, just turn it off and turn it back on and give it a few seconds, and this guy is gonna connect flawlessly. I heard some guys with the Motorola got some problems too and everything. Nothing is perfect, but so far I'm very happy and I'm very confident with these guys. All right guys, well, see you guys later on in another Just My Review. God bless you all. Bye bye, subscribe and share. See you guys later.